Alright, I know how to properly define Armageddon as a 33-dimensional cell, which is in front of you, which is a depiction of cellular energy, because Armageddon is a story about a creation of a 33-dimensional cell via the use of luminaries in a story in a book. Okay, this table is a depiction of Armageddon, just as much as the thing resting on top of it, because ABC is equal to 33, but that 33 is upon a universe table. So if that's the equivalent of a circled 33, so is that. Meaning that together, that's like a circled 66. Okay? Now the reason that this is a circled 33, and Armageddon is a 33-dimensional cell, which I, decoded eons ago, is all having to do with heaven, or the central celestial sphere of cellular Earth. It's very important because it's a plus, it's a circled plus and a circled X. It's both, okay? And you have to understand what dimension you're viewing it from. From this depiction, okay, because you can see the X, Y, Z planes, the three of them, as well as the two additional planes, making an X, whereas X, Y, Z makes a plus, okay? Those are 5 rings, but you can see the 0th dimensional singularity in the middle where all of the axles converge. That is a 1, because the 0 is a 1. So together this is a depiction of 15 from a 3rd dimensional perspective. Okay, now if we go here and go like this, and we're to remove, I guess, damn it, carefully remove that, and put this back, you would see 4 rings, because you know that there is, 1 vertical, 1 horizontal, 1 vertical, 1 horizontal, 1 circling it to make an O, and you still see, like, imagine that this is a ring here going inwards and inward, you'd see another 2. So this would be a depiction of 1, 2, 3, 4 with a 1. So this would be a 14 from a 2D perspective. If this was like to be drawn on a 2-dimensional plane. Like, don't think of this as 3 dimensions. Think of this as a 2-dimensional plane. Okay, so you see a 14 in 2D and you say a 15 in 3D. 14 plus 15 is 29. 29 is the n plus 3 of 26. I think n plus 3 is where Austin Lee Meredith likes to chill. Okay? Because we got to 29 using the depiction from a 3-dimensional and 2-dimensional perspective, 2 plus 3 is 5. 5 plus 29 is 34. 34 is equal to a circled 33. Okay? Yeah, that happened. Okay? So 14 plus 15 is 29. Plus 5 is 34, which is equal to a circled 33. And both that and that are depictions of circled 33s. Which, according to Revelation 16, is called Armageddon. There. What are these? The 2 bangs, or the 2 booms of Armageddon? A children's table with ABC stenciled on one side and a bunch of constructs from the 80s. A childhood toy of mine. Revelation and Armageddon simply means the uncovering of hidden knowledge. The uncovering of hidden knowledge about energy and where we are from. That's what I think. So, yeah, it just came to me, 14 plus 15. N plus O. No! Cheers.